All right, so here we have a list of movies that we are rendering dynamically from a query that went out to a remote server, and the response comes back with an array of movies that we are then rendering here. So we can make this a little more interesting by perhaps allowing folks to enter the actual title of the movie that they like to use instead of having it hard coded to be Batman. So to do that, let's go back to the let's maybe add here as this line item here. If we could add maybe an input field right at the beginning of this list, right? Perhaps we can add here a static line item here that it's not dynamically generated, but it's always there, right? We can in here we could put an input field, and let's see how that renders. There it is. So it's a line item, and the first line item is just an input field that we might want to type. Maybe underneath we might want to put a button that says search, something like that, right? We can decorate it so that this looks a little prettier by adding the class to the line item, and this is a list group item. And maybe the input field we can also decorate it a little bit and say that this is a form control. And the button, we can also make it a little prettier, saying that this is a button, primary. All right, let's see what that paints for us. Okay, that's a little more presentable, right? We have the search button, we have the title where we're going to type the title of the movie that we're going to search for, and we want to notify our container that we are searching for a different movie than just Batman. Okay, so let's see if we can do that next.